worked at a small diner in Texas, just on the outskirts of old Abilene. The jukebox was playing about exes, and one verse mentioned a truck driving queen. She ordered a cup of Folgers coffee, and she wore an older pair of blue jeans. Then she talked about her ex named Bobby, and how she became a truck driving queen. She ordered a cup of coffee to go, but then before she left old Abilene, she turned and said that everyone should know she'd been driving a truck when turned 18. She climbed in the cab of her old semi and headed west out of old Abilene. Nobody saw her when she started to cry. It was the song of a truck driving queen. Nobody saw her when she started to cry. It was the song of a truck driving queen.